Hello, in this example, we will find the exact value of the remaining trigonometric functions given the sine of theta and the cosine of theta. We know that the sine of theta is equal to square root 10 over 10, and cosine theta equals 3 square root 10 over 10. And we want to find the value of each of the four remaining trigonometric functions of theta. We know that the tangent of theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. And so the sine of theta is square root 10 over 10, and this is divided by 3 square root 10 over 10. So we have a fraction divided by a fraction, and one way to simplify is to multiply by the reciprocal. So square root 10 over 10 times 10 over 3 square root 10. And we can do some canceling here. 10 cancels with 10, and also square root 10 cancels with square root 10. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 3 equals 3. So the tangent of theta is equal to 1/3. Next, we can use some reciprocal identities. The cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of the sine of theta. And so the reciprocal of root 10 over 10 gives us 10 over square root 10. And so to rationalize this, we'll multiply by root 10 over root 10. 10 times square root 10 over root 10 times root 10, which is 10. These 10s cancel, and so cosecant theta is equal to square root 10. Secant theta is equal to the reciprocal of the cosine of theta. And so the reciprocal of 3 square root 10 over 10 is 10 over 3 square root 10. And so if we take 10 over 3 square root 10 and rationalize it by multiplying by square root 10, then that gives 10 square root 10 over 3 times, and square root 10 times square root 10 is 10. And so the two 10s cancel, and that leaves square root 10 over 3. The cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of the tangent. Now, tangent of theta is 1/3, and so the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3 over 1, which is 3. Please let your instructor know if you have any questions about this problem.